Hook. Did you know your brain is naturally lazy? No, seriously, it loves taking shortcuts. But before you feel attacked, let me explain how this amazing feature is actually your brain's way of being efficient and keeping you alive. Today, we're diving into why your brain prefers shortcuts, how it impacts your daily life, and how you can use this science to your advantage. Intro. Imagine walking into a grocery store looking for milk. Instead of analyzing every aisle and product, your brain relies on past experiences to guide you. Dairy is usually in the back. Boom. Shortcut. This brilliant efficiency mechanism saves mental energy, so you can focus on bigger problems like avoiding traffic or planning your dinner party. The science of brain shortcuts. At its core, your brain relies on something called heuristics, mental shortcuts that simplify problem solving. Neuroscientists have discovered that these shortcuts are rooted in your brain's reward system. Dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, spikes when shortcuts work, reinforcing the behavior. That's why creating habits can feel so satisfying. They're essentially shortcuts for your brain. Daily example. Let's talk about your morning routine. Do you ever notice how you put toothpaste on your toothbrush without even thinking about it? Your brain doesn't want to make this a major decision. It's automated the task to save energy for more complex problems, like strategizing how to ace your next meeting at work. The dark side of shortcuts. But not all shortcuts are helpful. Ever heard of cognitive biases? These are mental shortcuts gone wrong. For example, confirmation bias makes us seek out information that supports what we already believe, while ignoring contradictory evidence. While this saves time, it can cloud judgment and lead to misunderstandings or poor decisions. Quick exercise. Let's do a mental experiment right now. Think about your last purchase online. Did you scroll through hundreds of options for hours, or did you click on the first highly rated product? Your brain probably nudged you toward the latter. It's a shortcut designed to reduce decision fatigue. But was it really the best choice? Brain shortcut. Hacks. So how do you turn brain shortcuts into superpowers? First, train your brain through intentional habits. Want to read more? Keep a book by your nightstand so picking it up becomes automatic. Second, question your shortcuts when making important decisions. Ask yourself, am I relying on a bias here? Finally, celebrate your wins. Your brain loves rewards, so give it a little treat when it shortcuts its way to a smart decision. Upgraded productivity. Start applying this concept in your work or studies. For instance, use templates to streamline repetitive tasks or set specific times for creative work, so your brain builds shortcuts around those patterns. Every bit of mental energy you save using good shortcuts gets redirected toward your bigger goals. Win-win. Closing. Your brain's love for shortcuts isn't a flaw, it's a feature, the ultimate survival tool. So next time you catch yourself choosing the easy path, smile. That's your brain doing what it's evolved to do. And now, with these hacks, you can make it work smarter for you. Hit like, subscribe, and share if this brain hack blew your mind. See you next time for more Brainwave Bites.